Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce 7-inch double-DIN spatial Android 8.0 Oreo system spatial for universal. Okay, here is the box. Let me do the unbox review. Open the box. You can check head unit with good condition. Okay, here is the head unit. Let me introduce harness set first. Okay, you can check this ISO harness. Okay, this is ISO harness. Let me check. This K1 and K2. This K2 and K1. This is wire, 2 wire for steering wheel controls. If you can have a steering wheel, you can connect this wire. This GNDY black wire, GND wire. This black wire, please do not connect it because our head unit already built in the unit. Do not connect it. Okay, this is reserve backup camera wire. Okay, this is AMP wire. AMP wire. It's power 12 voltage blue wire. Okay. Other you can check ISO harness and ISO power cable. This connect back of our head unit. Okay. It comes with GPS antenna. And external microphone. There are two USB cable and the external microphone. This is the external microphone. Okay. And this camera input, camera in RCA type. Okay. And this is video in. This video in, and the AUX input left and right. Okay, this is audio cable, and this is subwoofer, and the video out 2 and video out 1. This is audio out left and right, rear and front. Okay. This is drama agent. Okay, you can check this head unit. This double-DIN. And you can check back this GPS antenna. This is ISO harness connector, fuse. This connector Wi-Fi antenna, radio ports. Okay. Let me power with 12 voltage. Okay, head unit will be start. Okay, you can tear this plastic protector. Okay, here is the UI interface. You can check this home button, back button, navy. Okay, this is SD card and 2 SD card slots. It's IR and the reset hole. Okay, let me introduce it. Maybe check the system. You can check the model is PX5, Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay, already built in the Google Maps and the Play Store. It's already installed DSP. You need to open the DSP at first. DSP antenna buy from us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.